Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, we're going to be focusing on DogWifHat, and currently it's sitting at the number 49th spot on the top 100 cryptocurrencies. This crypto has come out of the gate strong. It's already over $2.5 billion in a market cap, and I want to go ahead and dive a little bit more into the price chart with you guys and just give my opinion on what we're looking at and where this could potentially go to next. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see me do even more videos on DogWifHat. And also, if you guys can, hit that thumbs up like button. We're on the road to 21K subscribers, and I would love to have you be a part of this awesome community. With that being said, let's go ahead and move forward. So across the board with crypto over the last 24 hours, we've seen some deep red. Not to our surprise, DogWifHat also hit. It dropped down 7.36%, but over the last 7 days, up 30.7%. Pretty close to that of what we see with Phantom up here at the 44th spot. So DogWifHat making its ranking moves up. We can actually see within the last hour, it's up 7%. So a lot of movement just in a 1 hour time span. And again, it has a high market cap. So you might be thinking, well, it's a meme coin, low market cap. No, this is a large market cap and it hasn't been around for very long. So it's got a lot of attention on it. If we move over here to TradingView, what I'm actually doing is having this paired with Tether. This is through the Binance side. So we can see that it only dates back to that of March 5th. So on the day time frame, using my own trading bot, which I created, it gets integrated in here with TradingView, gives you some buy sell type signals. It's not showing you anything in the strategy tester down below. It would need more days for that, but you're going to see in a minute when I swap over to the 1 hour time frame that it does change that story narrative. But overall, what I do want to look at is right here. We can see that purple line, which is the VWAP, and currently we are just slightly below that level. So if the price can continue to make a little bit more of a climb, crosses above that level, that is a nice bullish indicator. But as I've been seeing, or we have been seeing here, is that it's been basically making a battle this whole time as it establishes that VWAP line. So it's really hard for it to have a nice continuous movement up without having any potential chance of a pullback. I mean, each of these instances are basically right on that line. So as it is right now, the line itself is more or less flatlined out. This could potentially climb up a little bit more and then start to make a further trend up. A lot of people have been looking at meme coins lately, and this does have a lot of potential. Another thing is that when I use the Fibonacci retracement, we can see that we did on the daily drop all the way down into this lower section. That is between the 0.618 and the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. Got about halfway down there. Then it got bounced off of, broke through that zone, even went up here into the 0.382 level. So now it's in between the 0.382 and the 0.236. So what does that mean? And that means right now we're looking at a support line right around $2.58. If it can make a further climb up, we're going to see some resistance at about $2.95. Of course, at $3, a psychological level. And then as it tries to make its further run back up to the high, the all-time high at $3.55 or so. Then it's price discovery zone, baby. Then the sky is the limit. This thing could continue to make a strong run. And as it's a meme coin, things get pretty unpredictable. I mean, I know it may sound crazy, but stuff like this has the potential of even overtaking stuff like Shiba Inu, Pepe, Dogecoin. I know a lot of people might think like, no, there's no meme coin that'll ever overtake Dogecoin. Yeah, never say never when it comes to crypto, when it comes to investments, when we're talking on a macro scale, things that could take years. Lots of stuff could come into play. But right now, this is moving so fast that even in the short term, it might be like a hot, what's that phrase? Hot in the pan moment, something like that. Throwing it in the pan, you know, it's like real hot. I got to look up the phrase. Anyways, you guys should know what I'm talking about with that. And when we take a look at this as well, we're going to move over here to the price increase. So I want to see how much this has gained since its initial run. Dating back to the beginning here to where we are right now, that would be up 153%. That's fine and dandy, right? If you got in at the very beginning, but what are the chances anybody did that? Well, let's say we just come back over here somewhere certain in the median zone, you'd still be up about 20%. And that's really good. Now, let's say you're the people that bought at the very top. How much are you currently down? Oh, whoops, I actually got this wrong. Let me try this again, guys. I did the bottom of the wick. I'm going to actually fix that real quick for you guys. Okay, so from its inception on Binance, it's 162%. Okay, then from a median standpoint, we're looking at about 26%. And then how much would you be down? You'd be down about 25.5% currently. Okay, could be way, way worse if you literally bought the absolute top for any of those poor, unfortunate souls. But what if we wanted it to go to, say, $5? Actually, we're at about $3.55, so let's say $4. Let's go about $4 here. And from where we are currently resting, if it can hit $4, you're looking at a 50.74% increase. Remember, it already showed an establishment of a previous all-time high at $3.55. So slightly more towards that $4 mark than it was the $3 mark. So I think it's reasonable to say that this has potential to go up to a $4 level. So an entry from here, you're looking at a potential 50% gain just to get to the $4 level. And that's not even saying that that would be the all-time high. I'm also not guaranteeing that it's going to go there. I don't have a crystal ball, guys. But this looks like it has a lot of potential right now. It's still fun and trending. There's other cryptocurrencies. They're following that trend of with a hat. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. Now, besides that, I want to tell you about this crypto exchange, Margex. Now, you may have already heard about a lot of different exchanges before. What's really unique about this one is that there's no KYC, meaning that you can make an account in about a minute. And in addition to that, you got leverage trading anywhere from 5x all the way up to 100x leverage trading. You can also buy crypto directly through their platform using MasterCard and Visa, Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal. They got lots of payment options there. You can mirror your trades off of other professional traders. You can see what their performances are on the platform. They also have staking options for you. So they got a lot of different things going on. Now, if you use my referral link in the description down below and you make a deposit of $100 or more, you can get a $50 bonus, which I think is really, really cool. There's no KYC again. It's real fast to sign up. It's available in a lot of different regions. If it's not available in your region, there are people that use VPNs to get around that. I'm not saying that you guys should, but there are people that do that. And that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out, thank you to Victor Vegas and Worlds of Rizvi for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.